Hey guys, this is Sam at Blackman Cycle Center. I just want to go over one of the different models we got here today. Number one question I get asked working at Blackman's is, what is a good beginner bike? I think we've got it narrowed down. It doesn't get much better than the K-Pipe. So this is the 2020 Kymco K-Pipe. This guy is $23.49. Best price in that 125cc segment. It doesn't get much better than that. K-Pipe is a little taller than your average Grom, your Spade, stuff like that. 17-inch rear wheels versus your standard 12-inch wheels. It's going to make this feel a lot more nimble, a lot more stable, much better handling. K-Pipe is also a lot easier to ride than the Groms and the Spades. These guys are 4-speed semi-automatic with a clutch. So what that means is you use the clutch to change gears. However, you do not need to use the clutch to take off from a stop. So you will never stall this guy. Doesn't get much more friendly than that. I have this black one. I have some red ones. I have a gray one. There's a big variety of colors that these come in, just like your Groms. Come on down, sit on one, see one, touch one, feel one. Hopefully we can get you out on the door on one. $23.49 Kymco K-Pipe. Stop down, check out the website, give us a call, 610-965-9865, blackmancycle.com.